is a game of football. In the first round, they won against Vision FC. In the second round, they've lost. I have Coach Karim Zito. His first defeat since he took over.
Played well. They deserve to win. So I'm okay.
I saw you complaining anytime there was the referee said, what was the problem? You were not satisfied with officiating?
Seriously. It seems like I don't want to talk about that. They have a way of doing things. When you are down, instead of you will not always say it will give the advantage to the opposite team. So after the ball is spoiled, before you come back and say foul against you. That is why you just leave them.
Okay, now let's look forward. Your next match will be the MTN FA Cup, and the window has also opened. What should we expect from Kumasi Asante Kotoko?
Definitely, we have to do some recruitment, and then we'll make sure that we qualify for the FA Cup.
Okay, Coach, better luck next time. So that was Coach Abdul Karim Zito testing his first defeat since he took over Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And to no other side but Vision FC. And I can tell you, Vision FC in the Ghana Premier League, they lost. The only match that they lost was against Dreams FC, who was being coached by Karim Zito. Coach Nana Kweku Ajuma. Coach, congratulations. Let me call you by your words. You said you were going to conquer, and you've done that. Coach, tactically, strategically, what happened?
The idea was to overload Kotoko in the middle of the field because we know that Kotoko is very good. Their midfielders from defensive all the way to offensive, very, very good players. If you give them the chance, they would always play around you. So the idea was to press them hard, win the ball in the middle, and probably try to counter. So when we are starting play, what we do is that when the ball goes to the right side, the right winger will drop inside and become the fourth midfielder.
Okay.
That gives us the box in the middle, which allows Sanja, who was at the right back, to play like a wing back. And then we would overload, play through, bring the ball to the left side, move Kotoko to the left side, find Soa, so that we can switch to the other side and attack from there. So we realized that most of the goals came from that side. I think it worked pretty well. The overloads was there, the passing was there. We played the out back and through the give and goes. We didn't delay too much. The few times that we delayed on the ball, we realized that we lost the ball. But when they were disciplined, they kept it simple, one touch, two touches. You realize that they really played well. So we played through the thirds. We got there. We were able to get the goals, and that was wonderful.
Okay, so at the end of the day, the league has ended. The position that you place, I think that once you did not go to relegation, it's a respectable position. What should we expect from next season? Any recruitment ideas? This team, I can see that now the telepathy and the cohesion is working. What should I expect from your team?
I mean, in every team, every season, you try to refresh it. So mostly, some of the older players are going to go, definitely. And then we are also going to bring in some of the younger ones as well. What we need are players that are very comfortable on the ball, players that are energetic, can press to win the ball when we lose it. We need that energy. Because if you play the man-to-man pressing, we need that energy. We need that tactical sense to be able to win the ball. We need to overload the areas that we are defending in. So we're going to bring in brilliant defenders. We're going to bring in midfielders that are young enough but technical enough to be able to play. We're going to bring in forward liners that have speed and will be able to score goals pretty much.
So congratulations once again, Nana Kotoko, the coach of Vision
don't forget,
FC.
I told you that after this, whether win, draw, or loss, I was going to go to my idol, Karim.
Yes, that is what he said.
I did. I went there. He put his hands on me. He blessed me.
Okay.
So thank you very much, Coach Karim Zito.
You
God
stood
bless
by your words. Nice talking to Coach Nana Kotoko. So that was the coach of Vision. What he said, he has been to Karim Zito. He has blessed him. I'm a man of the match. Albamu second half. Anna Obeshe 2 goals. Charlie, send a match. No.
Easy match, a tough match, easy match.
Obano, what should go now? You say you run straight to your technical director. Talking about Coach Anna Walker. Dating now should go now. Coach Anna Walker.
Okay. So first half, no. Almost say.
Yeah.
You go inside, no. Now me do I was see slow. Anytime you can say Duku, Dabana Beshego Army, Duku Dabana Beshego Army, and I can so nyambo today. Me make big teams. And by any time you don't call no.
It will catch yourself. What's a big team? That's the reason why I ran it to know. Oh, okay. It is saying, no, I say league na Abanawi, and next season, the end free Vision FC or Asame and Abakacha supporters.
Okay, now Asame supporters there. Yeah, the massive support of Madame from better league, never end league. That's the only keep on a young woman master that make sure they maintain league, you know.
Okay, Duku, nice talking to you.
Thanks.
So that is the man of the match. Maestro is here, Krobia Asante is here.